Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the V9 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, it is an affordable smartwatch and available in different color options. But of course, one of the best color or premium color for this smartwatch is the gold color, as you can see here. Okay, it is gold plated, okay, and with a beautiful strap, also available in gold color. Okay, so this time we are going to check on the support app for this wearable. So as you can see here, we have the WearFit Pro app. So we are going to install the support app for the smartwatch and see some additional features and functions for this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the installation of the WearFit Pro, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. I'm not sure whether the QR code for this wearable is available here or not. Okay, so let's check. So we have here some features. Okay, language, password, start, factory setting. It's not here, so maybe it's here, but as you can see here, okay, seems like everything is in icon mode. Okay, with this bubble type menu, it will take some time for us to look for the QR code. Okay, so in our case, we are just going to search it here. Okay, we have the user manual, but we already know, okay, the support app. So let's just search it here in the Google Play Store. Okay, so just type WearFit Pro. Okay, so we have a lot of version for the WearFit. What we are after is the WearFit Pro, okay, application, as you can see here. Okay, so tap on the WearFit Pro. Okay, 79 MB, it's a bit big, and as you can see here, it's a popular application with over 10 million plus downloads. Okay, so let's install the application. Okay, it's now pending and it's now downloading. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, just started to download. We are now on 30%, and just a few seconds, I think we'll be able to install and open the application. Okay, we are now getting closer and 100%. Okay, so let's check. Let's wait. It's now installing the application. Okay, after this, we'll open the app and we'll see if there are some permissions or we need to sign up or register an account. Okay, it's done and it is checking for security issues. Okay, 86.4 megabytes. So I think it's already finished installing. We have version 4.7.3. So let's open the application. Okay, so let's see. Powered by WearFit. Okay, so let's wait. And we have here the dashboard. Okay, we have home on the bottom part. Okay, so we have some ads here. Okay, I'll just stop here. We have home, exercise, micro life, devices, and me. Seems like we don't need to sign up or register. Okay, this is just an ad. Okay, so let's look for the UI here. Let's browse first. So this is the overall UI for your sports and health. On the bottom part, so this one, it focuses on the different sports. So this one is for the daily activity monitoring. Micro life, we have, okay, so different apps here, different features. We have the profile on the bottom part. Okay, and we have devices. exclusive PayPal discount purchase on watch. Okay, we have here, the profile, and we have the devices. Okay, so here on the devices, we are going to add our application, or our smartwatch. So tap on device. Okay, so here we have a permission. So allow WearFit Pro to access this device's location. Okay, just allow it. So GPS permission request, turn on GPS. Let's activate. Going back. Again. So let's tap on a device again. An app wants to turn on Bluetooth. Allow. Okay, it's now turning on the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay. So it's already activated here, as you can see. Again, let's tap on the device. And it's now scanning for our smartwatch. Hopefully, we'll be able to find our smartwatch and pair it with the WearFit Pro Support App. Okay, we scan again. Okay, so we have here the Ultra 8. Is this our application or our smartwatch? Let's go to our settings. Okay, tap on About. And we have here the Ultra 8 with the same MAC address. Okay, so tap on Connect. And it's now pairing our smartwatch. Okay, so let's see. It's now pairing. Please wait for the Bluetooth response of the watch. Okay, so let's wait. If we'll not be able to pair it, we'll check the Bluetooth. So here in our case, we have a connection success. Okay, so there's only one button here, so let's tap on this one. Select. Turn on message notification. So this is a permission right away for the message notifications, SMS as well as app notifications. WearFit Pro start message notification. Turn on. Okay, so we will allow the WearFit Pro to access it and to provide us a notification function. Again, allow. Okay, so it's already activated here. Let's go back. The notification message has been enabled. Okay, so allow WearFit Pro to make and manage phone calls. Okay, we have at least 4 here. Call logs. Allow WearFit Pro to access your contacts. Allow it. And send and view SMS messages. So we have here SMS and other application. Okay, we tap this one. Okay, so there's no option to pick the right application here. All you have here is the other option and select. Okay, to accurately test your heart rate, please wear your watch and keep it at least 1 finger away from the carpal bone. I know. Okay, so in order to ensure the normal operation of your device, the app, and more stable connection, you need to set the permissions. Okay, go to settings. I think we already did that. Phone permission. Okay, so this one, we'll just let it. Okay, we like this. Later on, we will set it. Just tap on complete. Okay, so it is requiring us. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so if you experience any issues with the connectivity, you can go to the settings again and set it. Okay, so our permission here for notification is already activated. We have here some features: the wallet, alarm, schedule management, mobile permission, firmware upgrade. Let's tap on the other settings here. So you can set it to okay and add again. To be honest, I hate an application here with an ad. It should be totally free, I think. So let's remove the automatic activity tracking. So you can set here 12-hour clock. So we'll set it. So we can change the time here when we synchronize the time. Okay, as you can see here, 2:40. Okay, go back. Weather, favorite contacts. I don't see any options here for the menu. As you can see here, we have one menu only here. Okay, we have the bubble type or honeycomb menu options here. Okay, we don't have the list menu. I'm still looking for it, but I can find the option. Okay, it's not available here. Micro life, let's see. So this is just a news. Okay, an add-on. Not for the smartwatch, but for the app. We have favorite contacts if you want to activate the Bluetooth call. We have the watch face section here, weather, sedentary reminder, alarm, schedule management. Okay, I think that's it for the pairing of our V9 Ultra Max smartwatch to our WearFit Pro application. So if you have any questions regarding the pairing of the V9 Ultra Max to the WearFit Pro app, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.